Minasan, konnichiwa, Emanuele des. Today I'm gonna show you the blizzard in South Italy. In fact, we are here 35 kilometers far away as crow flies from Ionio Sea in the Mediterranean Sea, and the blizzard can occur. Look at behind me. The temperature are close 4-5 degrees below the zero, but wind chill effect drops down the temperature 11-12 Celsius degrees. It's very cold. It's very cold. My God. So also here we can have the blizzard, but in Italy or in Europe we call these kind of weather BURAN or BURAN. Icy temperature and all snow around me. It's very beautiful. Bye bye.